Good afternoon, everybody. I'm just showing how to measure the drain current of my car when it's just sitting idle. So in this case it's a 2015 Hyundai 1.6 diesel i30. Now because I'm taking the measurement with the bonnet open, then I've put a clamp on the micro switch that detects whether the bonnet is open or closed, just not to set the alarm system. So if we look at the meter I'm using, it's set to read amps DC, and I'm using it on the high. This has two scales. One can measure up to 400 milliamps, the other measures up to 10 amps. But I'm using this scale because if you use this one and it's got a fuse in, then it's likely that you'll blow the fuse when you're locking the car, because that works the indicators and the door solenoids. So that surging current could trip the fuse, blow the fuse. So I'm measuring, as you can see, it's varying from about 24 up to 33 milliamps. I think it's pulsing on and off because you've got the alarm LED indicator in the dashboard. So that little LED probably draws 8 or 9 milliamps every time it turns on. So to connect the meter, I've disconnected the earth lead from the battery negative terminal, and I've connected my meter, one of the croc clips, onto this point. On the other one, the crocodile clip's not big enough to go onto the battery terminal, so I've used a bigger croc clip and then connected my meter to that. So that's the current drain we're looking at. And it drops to this level about 2 minutes after you lock the car. Before that, it will sit at around 300 milliamps or so. So you need to measure this current a few minutes after you've locked the car. And as you can see, at this sort of current level, that's not something we need to be too concerned about. I'm guessing that's just the current necessary to keep the alarm active. Okay, I hope you found that interesting. Thank you.